Some junk files that have accumulated can slow down the performance of your PC or laptop. Therefore, we can delete some unused files. To do that, there are several ways to delete some unused files without having to install the cleaner software. Although junk files will be deleted automatically for 30 days, we can also speed up the deletion process. Just open Recycle Bin. From here, we can use Ctrl+A to select all items, and then right-click, select Delete. Or we can also click on the empty Recycle Bin at the top left to delete all the files in it. To delete the temporary files on the storage drive, right-click on the Windows icon, and then select Run. After that, type temp in the Run field. Select OK. After the temp folder opens from the Windows Administrator user account, just select all the existing files by pressing Ctrl+A. Right-click and select Delete. If there's a window like that, select Continue to keep deleting it. Or we can select Skip if we are not sure about deleting the file. If you have several Windows users on your computer, we can also delete the temp file from that account. Use Windows Run Again. To make it easier, we can press the Windows icon +R. After that, type %temp%. Then click OK. Same as before, delete all the items in the temp folder. To easily find the prefetch folder, use Windows Run Again. Then type prefetch. When entering the prefetch folder, sometimes we have to confirm to grant access. To go to the next process, select Continue. After the prefetch folder opens, select all the files in it. Right-click, then select Delete. For the next method, we can optimize storage and memory. Go to the Devices and Drives view. Then specify the partition that you want to optimize. Right-click on the partition icon. Select Properties. After the Properties window appears, select Tools. After that, click Optimize. Specify the drive to be optimized, and then click Optimize again. Wait until the trim process is complete 100%. The next way, we can delete files using the disk cleanup application that has been provided by Windows. To find it, type disk cleanup in the search field. Run the disk cleanup application. Select the drive that you want to clean some of the files in it. After such a window appears, specify which folders you want to delete from. We can choose by giving a checklist. If there is something you want to delete from the system files, select Clean up System Files. In this video, I will only delete files from several options. Select OK to continue. Then select Delete Files to confirm. Wait until the deletion process is successful. Apart from these methods, we also need to uninstall unused programs. Apart from reducing the amount of storage capacity, these methods can also function to optimize the performance of the computer. Those are the tips for cleaning unused files in Windows without having to install software from third parties. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.